I am about to show you a system that finds local businesses, build them a free custom website, and then calls them to pitch it. And I haven't touched a single line of code or spent a single dollar doing it. Here what's insane. This entire pipeline, the lead finding, the website builder, the AI voice agent making actual sales call. All of it runs on tools that are completely free, no subscription, no hidden paywall halfway through the video. I am going to show you the exact setup tool by tool right now. By the end of this video, you will have a system that can go from I don't know any business that needs a website to an AI just called 5 gyms in my city and booked me a call. And you can build it today in about the time it takes to watch this video. Let's get into it. This is the HTML file that I have just created for this video. You will get probably in the comment section as well as in the description, so you can download it for here. So you have all the templates of prompts that you will need to follow this whole pipeline. So first of all, I will tell you what this exactly is. For the stack, we are using ChatGPT Composio, which is an extension that allows you to connect over 1,000 plus applications securely and efficiently. And then we are using Z.ai, which is a platform for a Chinese model named Z-Code, and it is probably one of the strongest model out there right now, GLM 5.2. And we are using Hermes and Waypai, which is a completely all-in-one tool for calling where you get $10 credit just for the sign up. So we are using this, and this is the whole stack. We will use ChatGPT plus Composio to find the lead, build lead sheet with ChatGPT and Google Sheet, and generate the website with Z.ai and GLM 5.2, publish site with Hermes plus GitHub, and write call script with ChatGPT. You can also use Claude because Claude had some skill feature that allows you to write very good call scripts, but I don't recommend that because Claude has very tiny user limit. And then we will use Hermes plus Waypai to actually call. Here are all the prompts that you will need throughout to follow this whole system. First of all, I will just tell you how to connect each platform to each other. Let's start with Composio. Search Composio on your browser, open this site. It will land you to this page. Here you can just read how this whole system works, but I will just tell you get started for free, and then you will land on this page. Here you can see I have already called 6,342 calls in just 10 days. That is crazy. You will land on this page. Here you can click on ChatGPT, and he will guide you how to connect to your ChatGPT. Just go to ChatGPT, click on settings, click on app, click on here in advanced setting you have create app. Okay, here is the name. You will type any name here. For example, I type Composio, and then you get to Composio, and you will have this URL. Just copy this and back to ChatGPT, and in the connections paste this link as here, and then you will just have I understand and create. He will automatically create it. I already have connected it here, so I don't need to connect it here. See, it says connector name already exists, so it's like that. I have already connected it. Now for the next thing, we have Waypai and Hermes. You just have to search for Hermes agent in the browser for downloading Hermes, and Hermes is available pretty much in every operating system. Here you can download it for Windows, Linux, Mac OS. Just copy this command, open PowerShell in Windows, and just paste it, and it is ready to go. I haven't copied it. For example, I copied this and I just paste it here, and it just downloaded. I already have installed it. For the third thing, we have Waypai. So just open a browser, search for Waypai, simple, and you will have this site. Click on build, and you will just get started, and you will land on a login page. But I already have an account on Waypai, so I will land on this. Here you can see all my assistants: Sam Restoration Outreach, Sam Clinic Outreach, Sam Outreach, Sam Studio, and this is a pre-built assistant that comes with the Waypai, and these are all the logs of what you have called. And here you can see exactly how much cold calling I have done, and their exact durations, and here this is a big one along with how much cost. Here you have seen the credits, you get 10 credits pre-built or free when you sign up. Here you have API keys. Just copy the private API key, open harms, just type bash, it will open your VSL port, and just type harms. Okay, I have just given him the API key, and obviously you are not able to see it because it is blurred, and just click connect to this WebAI and hit on enter. And z.ai is completely free. You just have to type z.ai and the site opens, and it is completely free to use. Here you will use agent for the agentic workflow or website building, and then you will use this. Okay, here I have already created a website, and now let's get into the actual setup. First of all, you will copy this exact prompt and give it to here I have given him the prompt along with the Composio extension Composio, and I have given him the prompt. Here I have classified that I want gym in USA that currently have no website or an outdated broken one. I just have sent it and set hit that find me at least 8 of them. So he called the tool calling where he just called Composio, and he prepared me this sheet where each one of this is working and not even a single one has a website. And I think that it is more convenient than Epify, because Epify kind of hallucinates by finding website, because sometimes the businesses have website but it kind of predicts that they don't have a website. And then I copy the second prompt and just give it to ChatGPT. Basically this prompt converts this whole table into a Google Sheet, so it is much organized. And for connecting Google Sheet and Google Maps, you just have to connect app, and here you can find pretty much all the apps you will ever need, and you can search for any app. For example, I will search for maps, and here is the map. Click on active. Here you will get into this window, and he will give you your email accounts, and you just have to connect it, and that's it. And that's pretty much for all the things. And for example, if I tell you I have connected it to my GitHub, Google Sheet, YouTube, Instagram, Google Maps, WebAI, and LinkedIn, so you can connect this easily, and the setup is pretty much same for everyone. So back to it, I have given it this prompt. He has given me this Google Sheet. Just open this, and here it is saying business name, phone number, address, no website listed, and outreach angle. I have also asked him to give me an outreach angle, so given me the outreach angle and a tone of the call. Now I have given him like a prompt saying use this outreach angle and tone from the lead row above and the live URL from the previous step. Write a call script for an AI voice agent. Basically I have written a call script for the business, and so here you will tell z.ai this prompt. The prompt is here. Just copy it and paste it to z.ai, and then in this copy this whole row. Just select this whole row, Ctrl+C, and you have pretty much copied it and paste it right here. He will do all the research and prepare a site just like this. So this is not a complete site. As you can see here, I have started in the middle way, but you can give it time. It almost takes a hour to complete a site like this, but I don't have that much time, so I started in the middle way when I have good looking website. So this is the actual website. It contains all these sections: the hero section, the rating, about us, the plans, and all the things that a gym website will need, along with a Google Maps URL and their timings, everything, etc. For the posting of GitHub, you just need to download this, and it will download a .tar file. This is the .tar file, so you just paste it into Herms. Here you can see I have connected it to my WebAI. Okay, I have given him the tar file right about here. Like I have dragged and dropped it. It pasted the path here, and I copied this prompt which you will get here. Copied and I pasted it here, which tells the Hermes to load it on the my GitHub and give me the URL. Although I have stopped it in the middle way, but I can say it continue, and it will continue. And I also have connected it with the open code Zen API key with DeepSeek V4 Flash free tier, which you can get from just searching open code, and you can do it. Okay, it is continuing to upload the website on my GitHub, or you can simply click on publish and copy a URL. But I don't recommend this because this URL consists of z.ai in the end, so you will not be able to give this to your client, and it sometimes doesn't work, and you will not give your client that you have built a website with using AI. So I don't recommend this. So Hermes is just uploading it, and he will give you a link like this. I have already created many ones, so I will just give you an example. This is the link Hermes will give you exactly. With this is the site, I have created it using this same method, and I have just saved it in my portfolio, so I can give it to any of my clients who want this. Okay, and now here comes the important step. You will write the script from ChatGPT, which I have write it like this, and I will just copy it, and in the same where I have given it to the WebAI, I will just paste it, and I will give the URL to him. For example, for this sake, I will copy this URL and copy this and just paste it here. Okay, it will do all this stuff and call the business itself. No need you to worry about anything. Okay, here is the complete data, how I find leads and cold call them completely autonomous without me ever doing anything. And you can use Hermes for the in charge of this whole process, so it find leads and generates all of it. But I use ChatGPT because it is more convenient, and it is just like more structured than Hermes pre-built. If you want Hermes, you can use Hermes skills to do it. So this is my whole workspace, and I am working on another project. You can search on Fadeflow on any browser, and this is my site, which is a completely overpowered software for YouTube automation. This is the landing page of that software, and I am completely writing this software. It starts from $0 to around $74 because the first 100 customers will get around 50% off on each subscription for the whole next year, and even I am planning them to give them a whole lifetime 50% off. Here you can search all the questions and join if you want. Here we have 2 members. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching, and tell me if you want any other topic on this.